Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Instagram likes. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then, click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select your activity. At the top of the list, locate likes and then click on that. So by going into this section, you'll see all the posts and all the reels you've ever liked on Instagram. And by default, they are sorted from newest to oldest, but you may customize the sorting from oldest to newest or select the specific time range. So yes, you may also filter it by date, like last week, last month, past year, etc. And you may also filter it by author. And that's how you can easily check your Instagram likes. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!